Okay, let's talk about email marketing. Now, this is a very popular one. Email marketing is a very popular digital marketing channel that we are also familiar with, or we could be also familiar with. Now, email marketing involves using emails to send promotional messages to potential and existing customers. So, this is one way that um, businesses are able to retain their clients, right? When people, I'll use Jumia for example, because that's a very popular platform that we're all familiar with, right? So Jumia, for example, would have on their on Jumia's marketing team, on their digital marketing team, they have people who write email. They have content writers who write email marketing campaigns, right? And these people would create very compelling email marketing campaigns that would pique your interest, at the same time retain you. Now, the way email marketing works is that when you, like using Jumia for example, right? If you're using like we're using Jumia for example, right? If you sign up on Jumia, you're signing up with your email and your phone number. That's that's like non-negotiable, right? You're signing up on the platform to use it. You need your email, your phone number. When you create your account, you might also add things like your address and other things, right? Because you've given them your data, and when you give them permission to use your data when you're signing up, there are terms and conditions. Part of the terms and conditions could include that they will send you promotional messages via your email or your phone number, right? That's why you get messages on your email, or that's why you get emails for their Black Friday, or for their December bonanza, or for their price slash on Workers' Day, or uh, getting or students getting back to school, get back to school, back to school deals, right? Because you've submitted your information or you're giving them your information, they're able to retain you as a customer, right, of their service. They're able to retain you as a customer of their service to send you promotional offers for other things that they might use. You might have shopped on Jumia once, right? But you might not even be using it next month, right? But because they know that seasons are very important periods to sell, they would take advantage of this and make sure that they promote their services, or promote their products rather, at this time promote their products to you, who is their customer already. However, it could also be a potential customer. Maybe you've never used the site before, right? But um, how they would now get across you if you are not an existing customer could be through content marketing as well. At the end of maybe one of their content marketing posts on their websites that solve your problem, they could also suggest that, oh, if you want to get more information about things like this, put in your email here to get more updates on tech solutions like this, right? That content marketing, because their content helped you solve your problem, you'll be prompted. It's more like a subconscious thing that you will just do, because as help you solve your problem, you might think that you might experience it again, or you might think that you might need other things like that. So you would now be led to put in your email to get notifications about other articles like that might solve your problem. And that's how they've just gotten you as part of their customers. You were not signed up on the platform before, but because they're able to solve your problem, giving you like a bait to use to get you signed up on their platform. you know okay, because they've given you a bait to solve your problem, you are already now listed as one of their customers, or potential. Yeah, from being a potential customer, you turn into an existing customer. And that's how email marketing works. It's basically using emails to send promotional messages to potential and existing customers. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. I think this is one that has a lot of potential, but in this part of the world, sometimes it's taken for granted. At the same time, it is also abused. But we'll talk about the good parts and yeah, let's talk about the good parts of affiliate marketing. But what is affiliate marketing before we even talk about those parts? Now, affiliate marketing involves partnering with other businesses to promote their products and services in exchange for a commission on sales. Now, um, say you know me now, you're a teacher for this class, right? If I have a course if I have a digital marketing course that I want to sell to you as my student, right? And I want you to buy that course, hmm, I can give you the link to the course on my website for you to buy, right? However, I can also tell you that, you know what, this course can be given to you for free if you tell your friend to buy this course, or you will get a discount on what you pay if your friend buys this course with the link that I share with you, right? That way, I am making you an affiliate of my business. I'm making you an affiliate of my digital marketing business to sell my product to your people, to your friends and family, or to people in your network. It might not even be people in your network. It might be random people on the internet. I'm making you an affiliate of my company. But when you sell my product, or when you share the link that I used to sell, because when you are an affiliate marketer, right, you'll be giving links, you'll be giving like unique links, so that this so that your so that the results from your sales can be tracked, right? So if you are, let's use Abubakar for example. So if Abubakar is trying to sell, if Abubakar is an affiliate marketer of my company and is trying to sell my product, I will give Abubakar a link to my course, right? And that link is a unique link. The reason why the link is unique is because I want to be able to measure and track the progress Abubakar is making in terms of how many people clicked on the link that I gave to Abubakar, how many people clicked on the link and actually bought the products that I gave to Abubakar, right? It's a unique link, so it enables me to track and measure the results that I give to Abubakar. Now, when people buy the product, or when people buy my course using the link that I give to Abubakar, Abubakar will get a commission on that sale. So my arrangement, my affiliate marketing contract with Abubakar could be, you get a 10% commission on every sale that you make, right? So if my cost is 10,000 naira, right, Abubakar is going to get 10% on the sale that he makes of that course. So if Abubakar is an affiliate marketer of my company, right, and he sends this link, or he markets my course online, and is able to market it to, let's say, 100 people, right? And those 100 people, out of 100 people, 50 people buy that course, right? 50 people buy the course of 10,000 naira. He's going to get 10% of the commission on the sale of each person that bought that product, right? And your commissions can vary depending on the platforms that you are using, depending on the on the platform, depending on the agreement that you have with that particular company. But I just want to give you an insight to how affiliate marketing works, and that's essentially how affiliate marketing works. Essentially, getting commission for the sales that you make, right? And the way it's leveraged digitally is, like I mentioned, that when you become, let me use a very popular one that I'm very familiar with. There's something called a Jumia affiliate program, yeah, or an Amazon affiliate program. Since Amazon is global, or let's use Jumia. But they are both e-commerce sites, so Jumia or Amazon, anyone applies. It applies to both of them. If Jumia has an affiliate program, and you as a digital marketer wants to leverage, um, you know, wants to make money through the affiliate program, you would look at, you would sign up on the Jumia affiliate program, right? Sign up, get your details across to them, make sure that you have all the requirements, you meet their requirements, and you're signed up on the platform already. You become an affiliate marketer of Jumia, right? Your goal as an affiliate marketer would now be, which products do I need to market to make my commission or to make sales? Because if you're an affiliate marketer, your goal is to make sales. Your goal is to make sure that you are marketing these products or these services so that you can make your commission and get paid, right? So that's essentially your goal as an affiliate marketing, as an affiliate marketer rather, right? So you as a digital marketer, or you as an affiliate marketer, will now use digital marketing mediums to promote the products that you are affiliated with, or to promote the products of the company that you are affiliated with. If we are going to use content marketing as an example, right? Let's even stick with the example that we used in the middle of the class, where I talked about a software company trying to sell their software to someone who wants to recover their files, right? In that same website, or in that same article or the blog post where that person is reading about how he can solve his problems using their software, in that same article, right, the product that I want the person to pay for, that is the software that the person will pay for and use to solve his problem, could be the product of another company, like another software company. Or let's say, let's stick with Abubakar now. Abubakar is, an affiliate of my software company, right? If he is an affiliate of my software company, if Abubakar wants to make sales using content marketing, or he wants to make sales using content marketing, Abubakar would have to create valuable content just like that software company did. Now, the valuable content could be through a blog post, it could be through an Instagram ad or an Instagram post that he will promote on Instagram and run an ad on. Do you understand? It could be anything that would solve that person's problem, right? And when someone comes across it who has that problem, they would click on it and go to his. When they click on it, it is they click on the ad, right? The ad will direct them to the link that I gave Abubakar in the first place to market my product. So it's a lot of digital embedment where they're leveraging all these digital technologies, or leveraging all these digital channels to make sure that we are making sales as an affiliate. Do you guys understand? I don't know, it might sound confusing, but if you don't understand, please just raise your hand, or if you understand, just let me know in the chat box. I'll be in the chat box, and let me know so that I can continue. Does everyone understand the concept of affiliate marketing and how we can leverage digital marketing channels to promote affiliate marketing, to make sure affiliate marketing works? Does everyone understand that? Hello, does everyone understand that? Yes, Mary, yes, okay. Who else? If you don't understand, you can raise your hand so that I can attend to the question and we can move forward. Okay, since no hands are raised, I would proceed. So that's essentially how affiliate marketing works. So let's continue in the presentation, on the lesson rather, to other channels. Okay, we've explored 6 channels. We've talked about SEO, pay-per-click, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing.